Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to see a very healthy, quick, easy and amazing recipe, and it's air fryer chicken legs along with colorful veggies. These air fryer chicken legs or drumsticks are crisp on the outside and juicy and flavorful on the inside. And friends, today I'm going to serve my air fryer chicken legs along with some roasted colorful veggies. And these complete meal will be ready in just 20 minutes. So let's get started with this amazing recipe. And here I have taken 4 chicken legs or drumsticks. First you need to pat dry them with a kitchen towel so that there is no moisture left. And now I'm going to make slits or gashes on both the sides of the drumsticks so that when we marinate them, the seasonings can penetrate deep inside and they turn flavorful after getting cooked. So in this way we need to make slits on both the sides of the drumsticks, and the same process will do for the rest of the drumsticks also. So slits has been made on the drumsticks, and now we need to make a marination sauce which will make the drumsticks flavorful and delicious. For that we'll take a bowl and into it goes 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Next goes a teaspoon of garlic powder, and to enhance the flavor of garlic in the recipe, I'm going to add this garlic bread seasoning, and I'm personally obsessed with its flavors as it has got dried garlic bits, onion, oregano and chives, which gives a lovely flavor to any recipe, especially baked or roasted ones. I'm adding a teaspoon of it. Then goes 1 tablespoon of piri piri masala, which is again full of flavors that's fiery, garlicky and tangy, and will elevate the dish to the next level. And to impart a smoky flavor, I'm going to add a teaspoon of smoked paprika powder. Also we need to add some salt as per taste. I'm adding here a teaspoon of it, a pinch of black pepper, and finally the juice of half a lime. We'll now stir and mix all the ingredients well so that they are well combined. And our flavorful, garlicky, spicy and tangy marination sauce is ready. And now we need to apply the prepared marination sauce over the chicken drumsticks and massage the chicken legs with the marination sauce, especially in the areas where we have made slits or gashes, for the flavors to penetrate inside. We'll flip the chicken legs or drumsticks and apply the marination sauce on the other side as well. And I'm going to save a tablespoon of the marination sauce for my veggies, which will be also air fried. So the drumsticks has been massaged well, and now I'm going to let them rest in the refrigerator for at least 2 to 3 hours for best results. And here in this bowl I've taken some colorful veggies. I've steamed them for 2 minutes for faster cooking in the air fryer, and I've included beans, carrots, potatoes and baby corns that has been cut lengthwise in this way. But you can add any other veggies of your choice or available with you. And along with this I'll also include some red and green bell peppers cut into long strips. And now goes the marination sauce which I had saved earlier. We'll give this a mix so that the sauce is combined well with the veggies. And this is also done. Now before getting started, you need to preheat the air fryer for 8 to 10 minutes, just how you preheat the ovens. And you can see I have lightly greased the rack so that the flesh doesn't stick to it, as my drumsticks are without skin. And now I'm going to place 2 of my drumsticks in one basket, leaving some gap in between, and I'm going to air fry them first for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Now in the other basket I will add the veggies. We'll spread them evenly, and I'm going to air fry the veggies at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. After 10 minutes, we will flip the chicken drumsticks, and this time I'm going to air fry them at 200 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes, as the drumsticks are slightly bigger. But if the legs are a bit small, then you can Air fry them for 8 to 10 minutes depending on the size. Let's check the veggies now. So they are done and I'm going to take them out. And in between I will check the drumsticks once and will brush a little bit of the marination sauce so that they remain moist and juicy while getting cooked, and they'll be ready in 3 to 4 minutes. Let's check them now. And our delicious chicken legs are ready to be served hot. And friends, here goes our healthy and delicious air fryer chicken legs and veggies, which will be ready in 20 minutes. So do try this quick, easy, healthy and amazingly delicious air fryer recipe for a complete meal. Also share your feedbacks and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.